Hello and welcome to another video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Whopper Coin. Burger King has started accepting Bitcoin for online orders in Germany. Just imagine. Who would have thunk? So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So Burger King recently announced that they're starting to accept Bitcoin for online orders in Germany. So the Germany arm of the global fast food chain Burger King now accepts Bitcoin payments on its delivery website and mobile application. And when you go to the application, you can see this little B down here for the Bitcoin symbol, and that indicates how you can pay for your hamburger. So they also are accepting PayPal and Visa, American Express. This is another credit card. So they do accept a number of different forms of payment. You know, Burger King made that statement famous: "Have it your way, have it your way," trying to poke fun at some of the other fast food restaurants that, while they would make you a hamburger, they're not going to add or remove items from their recipe. But some of that's changed. Most restaurants will try to accommodate their customers. So anyway, I just thought that was kind of interesting. Now, this is an older article from back in 2017, and in 2017, Burger King had also launched its own version of Bitcoin in Russia called Whopper Coin. And the Whopper Coin tokens were going to be used to reward customers for each purchase of a Whopper sandwich. So the interesting thing about all of this is that Burger King has been quite innovative over the years, and they've been involved with Bitcoin/cryptocurrency for more than 2 years now, because, you know, it obviously took them a period of time, you know, to develop a software application such as a Whopper Coin. It's going to take you a year, 2 years. It's hard to say exactly how long it took them to create their Whopper Coin, but it is interesting how Burger King in particular is involved in being innovative and creating new things. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you're having a terrific day. And as always, let me know, how can I be of service to you? What is it that you're looking for? What would make a difference for you? In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a great day. Bye-bye.